this is Sherry from Muck-truck. Today I will be showing you how to replace your belt. You will be needing two 13mm spanner or half-inch wrench, but I will be using an impact gun with 13mm socket because it's easier for me. Also, you will be needing one 19mm spanner or 3/4 inch wrench. This machine has the Ego engine instead of the Honda, but the drive belt works exactly the same. The first thing you have to do is tip the machine forward. For me, I use this two planks of wood, so it's easier for me to access the nuts and bolts underneath the chassis. So I'll put it in the front of the machine, front two wheels. And then tip your machine forward. The bottom plate has 6 nuts and bolts to remove. We have 4 here at the top and then 2 at the bottom. So now the bottom plate is removed. Now you can access the drive belt and take it off. Now we are ready to remove the belt guide tube. You do not need to hold the other end of the bolt because it's fixed in the chassis. Next, we're going to remove the nut and bolt from the clutch plate. You will need the 13mm spanner half-inch wrench. You'll need 2, but I'm going to use the gun because it's easier for me. Now you can take off your belt. You need to access it from the back and not in the front of the transmission pulley. Now your belt is removed. From 1989 till now, there has been 3 sizes of belts. From 1989 to 2008, there is 44-inch and 48-inch, and then from 2008 to now is the 51-inch belt. To confirm the size of your belt, you have to cut it and measure it in inches. The measurement is always in inches, okay? So now let's cut the belt. Okay? And now we measure it. On. Yeah, so it's 51-inch. So that's how you measure the size of your belt. Now we are ready to replace the belt. Basically, all you have to do is reverse how you took off your belt, okay? So now we're going to put the belt on the transmission pulley first. Just put the belt in the groove of the transmission pulley. Okay, so now that's in place. Now, the other end, we need to place it on the engine pulley. Right. Now your belt is in place. So now we're going to put back the nuts and bolts here in the clutch plate. Okay. Oh, this one. I'm starting to. And then the drive belt guide tube. And then the nut. Righty tighty. Please always remember that the drive belt guide tube needs to be really tight. Now we have replaced the belt. We need to check if the tension is set up correctly. By doing that, we will have to pull the clutch lever. So with one finger, you have to check where the tension starts. So the tension starts here. To adjust the tension of your belt, you have to adjust it using your clutch cable.
By adjusting the nuts from the other end of your clutch cable, you can set up the tension of your belt correctly.
Now that's the belt set up correctly. Please do not forget to put the bottom plate back on because it aligns the gear lever. Thank you.